Yeah. How are ya? I was just checking in. It was a real mess up there. This guy, Cyrus, had a accident. They did? Well, that's okay. Yeah, these guys, the warriors. Yeah, they deserve it. Yeah, we will. Take care of yourself.
We're set.
We're set, all right. Somebody should pick their ass up. The Rip sent out the word. They want him alive. We don't.
Sooner someone grabs them, the better.
What's the matter? You afraid the warriors gonna shoot them mouths off before they get ragged?
Yeah, right, I'm worried. I just don't want to rip down my
No
head.
sweat, they're looking for the warriors, remember? We can do some looking too. Ought to make you feel better.
Hey! What about the money you own?
For what?